So really quick, it is Sunday, June 9th, and I just stopped into the house to empty the dehumidifier, and I want to measure the size of the deck because we're going to get a shade sail. But real quick, I'm using my phone, so sorry if this isn't the greatest quality, but Nick did tear this out in the basement. This was a full bathroom at one point. I'm not sure why they did it this way. They like raised up the floor and enclosed this in instead of digging into the concrete. And it's pretty gross under here. So you can see probably where some of the moisture was coming from down here, like why it smelled so bad down here, because it was all kind of leaking under here. But it's on the concrete, so that's a good thing because it didn't damage anything. But going on up, I don't think I have shown you guys the floors yet. So ready? Dun, 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 dun. I am so excited. So this is just, I think, the second coat. He still has one or two more coats to go, but he's going to wait until the plumber and everybody is done with everything they have to do. So the countertops will be going in this week. All the baseboards will be put back in this week. And I will be finishing the random little touch-ups of painting I have to do, like this wall, all the way down the entryway, things like that. And then we still have to redo these stairs and tile down there. But we are getting there. So for just kind of a once-over. God, it's crazy looking back. Even just 2 months ago when we closed on this place. How different and how much better it looks now. Oh my God. Look, there's a toilet.
Toily-woily.
Does it work? I don't have to be as afraid of this bathroom anymore. Oh no, he didn't turn the water on yet. Nice toilets though.
If you open it up in
Ew. There better not be. And look at, the kitchen's looking more like a functional kitchen with the faucet installed. Please excuse my voice right now because I'm sick. I just stopped here to drop some stuff off. This is me getting out of the house today. Look how pretty it is. The things you get excited about as an adult. A sink drain. I was a little worried about this because I was afraid it was going to be like brutal to clean, but I talked to a couple of my friends who have faucets like this and they said it's actually really easy to take care of. So the plumber was here today. He's almost done. All the baseboards are in. He was connecting them to the pipes today. Oh wow. Why did they put just like a little chunk of baseboard over here? Like why not? Like that's a big piece on that wall. Why not just make it on that wall? Like why bring that little piece over? Whatever. Is the toilet back in here? Yes it is. Look at that.
Congrats, you have 2 functioning bathrooms.
Wow, well almost. Not totally, but getting there.
They grossed that toilet up.
Hmm?
You're gonna have to clean that.
Well, it's because when the floor guy did the floors in here, the dust got all over it because it was already in here. Looking more like a real livable home. I told you that we actually found out that the house was empty for like 4 years, not just one, right?
They're not gonna respond to you.
I was asking you. You brat. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go home and continue to lay on my couch now. So I swear that this wall is the same color as this wall because I painted this room. But because of the light coming in from the window, this wall looks so much lighter. But that makes me happy because that means when I actually reinstall light fixtures and stuff into this room, hopefully this room will seem lighter because that is the color I actually thought it was supposed to be. And when I put it on, I thought it looked a little bit dark. So that actually makes me happy. But I just think it's so funny that right now that looks like it's 2 totally different colored walls when it's really not.
Okay, so can I just take a second to tell you guys how absolutely phenomenal my kitchen guy is. So this is the current state of the kitchen, and I honestly cannot even believe the transformation. It's been 2.5 months since we closed on the house, almost 3, and this is what it looks like. So he obviously has done all of the new doors, put the soffits up to make everything look like it goes to the ceiling, but he also did our toe kicks today, painted everything the same color as the cabinets. So we now have the toe kicks. He did the countertops, and when he cut out the spot for our sink, he made us a cutting board out of our countertops. So we now have a cutting board that's the exact same as our counters. And then what he also did today is created this ridiculously good looking custom casing for our kitchen window. So now it has like the fancy molding up top, all of this detailing with the molding around here, and then it goes down to a custom windowsill made once again out of our countertops. I honestly just cannot believe this man. I mean, this wasn't even in the original plans, and he kind of just called me one day last week and was like, "What are you doing with that window above the sink?" And you know, I told him we were just gonna put the regular window trim around it, make it match everything else, and he goes, no. Let me make you a window casing, let me take care of it. And I'm so glad I did. And he is the most reasonable, easy to work with person I've ever dealt with, and I am so thankful for him. I mean, this kitchen is, oh my God, it is like a million times better than what I even thought it was gonna be, and I cannot wait to cook in here, you guys. But if any of you in the New England area, specifically Massachusetts, are looking to do a kitchen remodel, please leave a comment or shoot me a message. Cal does amazing work. He does all of this by hand. It's all custom, and he is so efficient and so talented and so precise with everything he does. It's insane. So definitely hit me up if you're looking to do anything to your kitchen. Oh, also, the 1 or 2 things that we have left in the kitchen are obviously putting the pulls on all of the cabinets and drawers, doing the backsplash, and then I think we are going to shiplap this. Because right now you can see the seams and there's a gap between that and the wall, and I don't know, it just doesn't look complete compared to the rest of the kitchen now. So I think we are going to go with our original idea of shiplapping this. And then Cal will come back and put some braces to make sure that the overhang is fully secure in case anybody ever decides to sit on it for some reason or anything like that, just to be extra safe. Another thing that Cal is so good about. So I'll keep you updated on that. But this is my kitchen, guys. I am so excited. So the last coat was put on the floors yesterday. So excited. They look so good. All of our baseboards are in. Unfortunately went to go and fire up the furnace to test all of our new baseboards and everything yesterday. And sorry, I'm just gonna shut all the windows. We were letting the place air out, but we're heading home now. But we found out yesterday
that our furnace needs a power venter and a backflow valve. So unfortunately, we're going to have to pay about $1,000 to fix that, but I guess it's better than a new furnace. Also, the electric company is supposed to come replace these two poles and raise these wires because they're hanging way too low in our front yard. But the grass is actually looking pretty good. We have to mow it again, but I don't think we'll really have to fertilize it or anything. And then tonight we were trying to trim back some of the overgrowth down the driveway. Looks a little bit better, but... So we officially have tile down here. And then all new stair treads. I'm gonna try and step over this because I shouldn't walk on that right now. I can walk on this one though. But we have tile in the entryway instead of the hardwood. The hardwood smelled so bad, ripping it up. It was not good. And then all new stair treads up here. They're so much quieter. Ah, look at my backsplash, guys. Oh, I'm so happy with the way this is coming out. Oh, wow. It makes such a big difference with this kitchen. So he still has a couple more rows to do tomorrow, and I'll bring the vent hood and we're gonna go up to where the vent hood starts, or stops rather. Wow. That makes such a difference in this kitchen for some reason. That's crazy. And then down here, we will be putting the shiplap to try to cover these seams and the gap that's over there, and then they've trimmed all of the windows for us. Sorry if the lighting's a little funky, I'm filming this on my phone, I don't have my camera with me. But they did all the trim on the windows. We've protected the hardwood floors because they're officially done, so we don't want anything to happen to them.